Welcome in. This is CHUCKWUEMEKA Kitchen. Today we're putting together a recipe for a pound cake that is perfect for your summertime barbecues. I have 3 cups of all-purpose flour here. For every cup of flour, I've removed 2 tablespoons and replaced it with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. I'm sifting together my flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of baking soda. Moving over to my mixing bowl, I have 4/4 of unsalted butter because this is a pound cake. Adding to my butter, I am adding 3 cups of baker's sugar. Scraping down my bowl. I'm going to go ahead and turn up the speed on this and get this blended and mixed in really well so that I can get that smooth, whipped, buttery texture that I'm looking for. Individually adding in a total of 5 large eggs. Adding in 1/3 cup of sour cream. Going in now with my extracts. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of butter extract, 1 teaspoon of almond extract, and 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract. Scraping down my bowl. And I'm now going to go in and start to add my dry and wet mix. 1 cup of flour, adding in half of my 1 cup of buttermilk, so half of that. Slowly mixing in, I'm adding the other cup of flour, the remaining bit of my buttermilk, and ending with my last cup of flour. Mixing in slowly to get this wet, and then I'm going to scrape my bowl and go ahead and mix it for the final time. Mixing on high for about 1.5 minutes, and it is now done. To prepare my baking pan, I used Crisco butter shortening and flour, giving a few bumps on the countertop to remove any air bubbles that may be present, smoothing out the top, and into the oven it goes. My oven gets really hot, so I baked it at 300 degrees and carefully watched it to make sure it did not brown too much. And this is what we have. Ooh, honey, this cake is the bomb. Until next time, guys, Yah willing, of course. Shalom.